Working with a web client, we can pass over values to an HTML form. This code sample refers to this specific HTML form accessible at this URL address. Entering two numbers into this HTML form and pressing submit returns back their sum. In fact, when we enter these two values into a form, we entered these two values into two text fields. Each one of these two text fields has a name. The name each one of these text fields has is in fact the parameter name for each one of the two numbers that are sent as parameters to the server side. The server side returns an answer that includes one simple number, which is the sum of these two numbers. Let's go over the code of our C# application. At first, we create an object from the name value collection class. We instantiate name value collection, get an object that represents a collection. Each item we add includes a name and a value. A name and a value. Later, when we call the upload values on our web client object, we pass over the URL address of the server-side application that receives the values from the HTML form. We can get that if we browse the HTML code and look for the value of action. The second argument we pass over is the string post. We should check the form to see if the form works with post or with another HTTP method. In this case, it is post. And the third argument is the reference for the collection we created previously, a collection of two items. The first item, its name is num_a and its value is 43. The second item, its name is num_b and the value is 22. Calling upload values indirectly sends a request to this specific server-side application, and the response we get back from the server side is entered into this array. The second line, we have a simple call to write all bytes method in order to write all bytes in this specific array into a new HTML file, and the last line indirectly instantiate the default browser on our PC in order to present the new created HTML file. Let's see how does it work. And here is the answer. The answer for passing over 22 and 43. The sum is indeed 65.